Unfortunately, the housing of the heat exchanger is broken, but now I can show you how to swap the heat exchanger cartridge, and this is very easy. You just take out the old heat exchanger cartridge, print a new heat exchanger housing, and the only thing you'd have to do is insert the heat exchanger cartridge, and that's it. Now I will show you how to mount the temperature sensor in this bracket and then on top of the heat exchanger. First of all, you will have to mount the temperature sensor on the bracket, and that is done with a very small screw. Now the temperature sensor is very nice mounted and now can be placed on top of the heat exchanger with this hose adapter, and these two parts are mounted on top of the heat exchanger with these hex screws. And now you're ready to go and connect the Arduino controller. Thank you for watching.